Hi, welcome to MTV, the Maintenance TV Network. We got a couple of great videos for you today, so let's get started and make it happen with some choice bus rapping.
Here's what's happening, and it's true. We're doing some rapping about the maintenance crew. We've earned a well-deserved reputation for giving everybody fine transportation. From there to here and from here to there, our fleet of buses goes everywhere. Yeah. But it takes a team to make things stay right on the move all over LA. We're the people here on the scene, making things work like a well-oiled machine. Yeah. We're the members of the maintenance team, proud to be working here on the scene. We're the ones who make the buses move, but to do it we've got to stay in the groove. To keep the fleet rolling on the street, everybody on the team got to pick up the beat. The riders out there depend on us. If we're not on it, then they're off the bus. We need everybody playing at their position to maintain our buses in the best condition. Now here's the part where you've got to listen. The team can't win when a player is missing. Someone's not here and I think it's you. Now how we gonna get those buses through? You were watching the game when you should be playing. On the maintenance team, you hear what we're saying. Don't stay out of work and don't come in tardy just because your pals say they want you to party. Because of you, the whole team's lost and all the bus riders are paying the cost. While you were out there getting your yucks, the public was out $5 million. That's how much maintenance loses each year to make up for workers who just ain't here. If you stay home when it's not legit, you know your supervisor's gonna question it. You're gonna find out the consequences of too many latenesses or absences. You'll get 6 chances to get it straight, and if you don't, it'll be too late. You might wish it was only a dream, but keep missing work and you'll be off the team. You can shout, you can holler, you can even sob, but you're gonna find yourself right out of a job. You'll find yourself right out on the street, walking along and getting sore feet, till you finally find the bus stop sign and you stand and wait in the passenger line, wondering why the bus just doesn't come. And then you remember that you're the one who let down the team and deserve the blame for putting that bus in the BO lane. You let down the team and lost the game, and now your life is just not the same. It could be you, but don't let it happen. We want you to know, and that's why we're rapping.
That's one of the hottest raps around. The maintenance crew with some bus rapping. You know, they're right. It takes a team to keep the buses rolling. And every member of that team plays a vital part. If you don't do your part by missing work or coming in late, everybody pays the price. Passengers all over LA who don't get the bus service they need. Your co-workers on the job who have to make up for the time that you're not putting in. And the maintenance department, which loses $5 million a year in overtime payments because of missed work. But the person who really pays the price is you. Your union agrees with progressive discipline for workers who continue to come in late or don't come in at all. The attendance policy provides for 6 disciplinary steps. They begin with the 6th instance of absence or tardiness in any 6-month period. They can also begin with 3 instances with time lost of 80 hours or more. Step 1 is verbal counseling and a write-up to the manager's file. Step 2 is formal counseling and another write-up. The 3rd step is where you are now. At the 4th step, you'll be suspended for 3 to 5 days. At the 5th step, your suspension can be 20 days to a month. And if you reach the 6th step, you'll be out of a job. If you continue to exceed the guidelines for lateness and absence, you'll find yourself climbing those steps and heading toward the door that leads to the street. So be smart and do your part. Get on the beam with the maintenance team. Well, we'll be right back with some more bus rapping right after this message from our sponsor.
I'd like to take a few minutes and talk to you about the costs of absenteeism to the department and to the district. First of all, when an employee is absent, he typically has to be replaced in our kind of production work. This is typical with vaulters, with service attendants, and with mechanics. We have work that is planned for each of those employees. When they are not there to perform their work, largely someone has to pick that up and do the job anyway. We accomplish this with the use of overtime. However, we do not have sufficient overtime in our budget to cover all absentee occasions.
Last year, the average ATU employee and BRAC employee in the Equipment Maintenance Department was losing about 23 days due to absenteeism.
In terms of translating that into dollars, last year cost the district or cost the department approximately $5.3 million.
I don't think some of you realize that at a division it's a team operation and a team effort, and when you don't show up and you're absent, that's part of the team missing. And buses got to be fixed today. There is no tomorrow. We need buses on the road in the morning to make that AM rollout.
We need you. It takes a lot of people to make this operation go. Everybody working together as a team. We need the mechanics. We particularly need the service attendants.
Whenever an employee is absent, it also affects the morale, because when that employee does not come to work, it affects the team performance, and it also creates a problem for the supervisor.
When an employee is absent from the job, how it affects our scheduling and projects that we have planned for that day. We have a mechanic or two that are absent. It's hard to fill that spot. So it's really important mechanics, service attendants, show up when they're supposed to be there, when you're scheduled to be there on time. You show up, that guy standing on the corner might catch his bus and make it to work on time.
Without us being able to perform the maintenance and get the buses out on time, it creates a problem for the ridership. It affects the entire operation. So coming to work is very vital in our operation.
When you're out, costs go up. They have to replace you. This is a joint management and union program to help you clean up your attendance record, to help you come to work. There's an employee assistance program that was put in jointly by the management and the Amalgamated Transit Union. It's there to help you. Obviously, you're watching this film because you had a bit of difficulty with your attendance.
For personal problems, we have implemented a new employee assistance program to help employees that have personal problems, family problems, drug and alcohol problems, and also other problems that cause excessive absenteeism. You can confer with your shop steward for the employee assistance program as well as your division management. You can be rest assured that it will be kept on a confidential basis, and we are here to help you. That I want to emphasize, that we are here to help you.
RTD is a terrific place to work. The benefits are good, the wages are good. If you have problems, that's what we're here for. We're here to help.
It is so important that we have you present. Your absence can pose a problem for all of us. If we're down to our bare minimum, we have to get only the necessities done. We can't get to the extras. There are times when we would like to do graffiti, we'd like to clean the oil, we'd like to clean the dust. We can't do this if you aren't here. We need your help.
You get the message? Okay, then let's get back to our MTV music video.
Now we've been telling you what to do to be a proud member of the maintenance crew. These are the facts, it's reality. The team depends on punctuality. Remember, the rules really aren't tyrannical. They're just a way to keep mechanical parts in repair and keep things clean, and gas and oil for an efficient machine. So do your part, be part of the team, keeping our buses right on the beam. When our buses leave the sheds, they're in fine condition, prepared for the daily expedition. Their outsides gleam, their engines hum. The fleet is rolling, now here they come. Moving along with what it takes and stepping on a dime, 'cause these are the brakes. You know what it takes to make the buses run. The maintenance department, we're number one. You need the team and the team needs you. So be a smart part of the maintenance crew. Be on time, always be here, and you'll get an award at the end of the year.
Well, there you have it. Some great bus rapping videos. And the message should be clear. You're part of a team. And if you don't show up, you're letting your fellow team members down, you're letting the bus riders down, and you're letting the company down. As the video said, to keep the fleet rolling on the street, everybody on the team has got to pick up the beat. But if you're not there to pick up the beat as you're expected to do, there are those 6 disciplinary steps. You're watching this video now because you've already taken a couple of those steps. Do you want to take any more? Even closer to the door? The ball's in your court. It's your move. So what's it going to be?
So do your part, be part of the team, keeping our buses right on the beam. When our buses leave the sheds, they're in fine condition, prepared for their daily expedition. Their outsides gleam, their engines hum. The fleet is rolling now, here they come.